Hi guys, today I shall be showing you how to use the crop tool on an iPhone or an iPad. The basic principle should work anywhere or on an Android phone or on a computer or something. But before I do that, I shall be showing you what are the two common orientations of photographs. One is the horizontal, which is on my left, and the other one is the vertical, which is on my right. Horizontal is when you hold your iPhone or your phone horizontally, and the portrait mode is of course when you hold your phone vertically. Okay, let's get going now. Going into my Photos app, and then I will go into my test album. The first photograph that I'm going to show you is this is my own photograph. I'm using my own because of copyright issues. I shouldn't be using anyone else's photographs. So supposing this is the photograph that I want to crop. Now this is obviously a portrait mode. So if I want to crop it to a square, so I will tap on edit, which is top right. So you tap on edit. Once that happens, is then your bottom right there is an icon, which is the crop icon. You tap on the crop icon, and then you will see this a square or a rectangular bounding box around the photograph. So then you can choose which orientation you want to use. You will need to tap on the second icon from the left on the top. You tap here, and at the bottom you will see various kinds of orientations. One is the original. This was taken up, of course, in a portrait mode, so you can see there is a portrait icon there. Then you can change it to horizontal mode, which is the landscape mode. But if you want to crop it to square, you tap on square, and then you can adjust the photograph. Now this will become a square photograph, and mostly Instagram photographs are square photographs that you upload on Instagram. Then of course you can have a 16 by 9. This is very common, like on TVs and everything. The orientation that we see is cinema orientation or cinemascopic, which is 16:9 ratio, or you can make it a 10:8. So you have various kinds of ratios that you can use. So you can use freeform, or you can go back to original. This is the original, but this is landscape, but originally we had it in portrait mode. To do the freeform kind of a crop, it's very easy. Just tap on freeform, and then you grab one of the handles of the bounding box, and you can crop it in a freeform any way you want. Once you're happy with it, just tap on done, and that's it. The bonus tip that I'm going to give you is that I'll show you another photograph. Now this is a very common mistake that most people or many people make, is that if you look at the horizon is not straight, it is tilted. The way it's tilted, that it seems that the sea is going to drain to the left. So this is a very common mistake which we must take care of while we are taking a photograph. So to do that, it's very simple to correct this mistake. You tap on edit, and then you tap on your crop tool. At the bottom you will see there's a scale here. You can rotate this scale and make it horizontal. While at it, I'll show you that landscapes usually look very good in landscape mode. So I will now tap the second icon from the top right and set it to 16:9, and then you can see that this looks better. And also another power tip is that whenever there's a horizon, never keep it to the center. It doesn't look very good. So keep it at the junction of top 30% and the bottom 70%. So this is what we call a rule of thirds. So follow that and your photographs will look much better. If you want to show more of the sky, you can actually do it the other way around. You bring your horizon down to the lower junction of lower and middle third. That should also work, but in this case there is not much of the sky to be able to do that, but it looks good even here. But never keep it in the middle. That is a power tip. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something. Please, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to the channel and press the bell button so that you don't miss any of the new videos. I shall be uploading them quite often actually. Okay then, take care, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye, see you another day. Bye.